so see if we can put it back. This is supposed to go upside down like this, and this tube is going back like that, and this is the clip. Okay, so that clip is in, and we're gonna go under, and as you can see, now that's in position. So, and this clip is going to go, let's pull the choke up, and then it's gonna go like so. Okay, and then we're just gonna pop this up, and you hear the click. That means it's in. Now we're just putting the throttle cable. Let's turn the throttle cable to pull the throttle cable back. And pull this back. Oops. Yeah, so the throttle cable can line up. Okay, so maybe I need to put the long bolts, the back one. I need a screwdriver to do something, and then I also need to put the long bolt in, but for now, I'm just gonna shut it off. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm going to bring this back so I can put the long bolts through, and hopefully okay. Need the long. Need the extension. And kind of just put it up, but not tightening it yet. You know, because I want to make sure the front is also the front front bolt is also in before I tighten everything down. And also I want to adjust this throttle cable to lock it down. So that's the front. Now I'm doing the back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this bolt in and put this bolt in. Before I tighten it down, I want to adjust this here. And I think it's about here. throttle to be locked down. Oh. Okay. Well, let's see. Yeah, see that? Okay, so the throttle is good. Now I can tighten these two bolts down. Okay, so this choke is also good for the choke, and now I'm going to try to start this. Actually, I'm going to have to put these two bolts in, so I'll be right